Mga ka-nose! Musta? Coffee hunt naman ta, diri sa Diversion Road. I'm Drinking Nose and welcome to my vlog. Located siya sa ground floor, Greenfield Complex, Diversion Road, Iloilo City. Ang ano? Siyempre, ang Drip Café. Another na quality, traceable, and sustainable coffee kay may specialty coffee sila. Tara, sulod na ta! And let's see what's the buzz all about. Kag take note, damo gini tao maghapon. Kaya come early. Perfect gini sa tanan sa mga students, meetings, and all of the above. Coffee beans available by Hummingbird Coffee Roasters with these following origins. Kag-ari ila menu with their signature breads and pastries. Kung nasimutan ko ng kahamot sang kape nila. Tara na mga ka-nose, sugod na ta, mag-food trip, kag lapang. One of their strongest coffee, cortado. Bonjour, this is their hazelnut croissant. Perfect pair for your coffee. Gagamit sila sang paper straw. A cortado is a beverage consisting of espresso mix with roughly equal amount of warm milk to reduce the acidity. If you're a big fan of chocolate hazelnut spread or chocolate croissant, you're surely gonna love this easy breakfast pastry. There's also a filling inside. Cortados are a barista favorite drink with Spanish origins. The name means cut in Spanish, as the espresso is typically cut with steamed milk. This well-balanced drink is delicious with a morning pastry. And that's it, manos. Hope you like this video. Please do like, follow all my social media platforms, and most especially sa YouTube channel ko, Drinking Nose. See you again, manos, for my next coffee hunting, food trip, and Lago series here in 𝒕𝒂𝒊𝒕𝒚, Iloilo City. Bye!